Hey, I'm Brandon with RevZilla, joined here by my buddy Pat, and we are taking a closer look at the Pando Moto Shell Armored Shirt, available at RevZilla.com. So the armored shirt from Pando Moto, this is a CE A rated base layer. It does have a matching pants, and they're going to share similar features throughout the entire garment there, but it's going to move very well with the body. This is all the stretch here. We've got mesh on the inside of the arm, and then you have a combination of Dyneema, which is going to provide you with abrasion resistance, and then you have some CE Level 1 impact protection. That is their SAS-TEC CE Level 1 protection at the shoulder as well as the elbow. And it's very low profile. It moves very well with the body. It's super comfortable. This stuff is designed to be worn underneath your jacket, or perhaps you're doing some dual sporting. You know, this is something you can wear under a jersey if you wanted to do so. I actually have an old jacket from my grandfather that does not have any armor on it. This is something that would be perfect for that because I can still wear that awesome jacket and still have the protection I want to have underneath it as well. But let's talk about the overall fit. Now we've got Pat here. He's 6 feet tall, 220 pounds with a 44-inch chest. He is currently wearing a size large in the Pando Moto shirt, and it is fitting him very well. You want this nice and snug to the body so it doesn't have any excess material. You want it to move freely and move very well with the body, and again, all of that stretch is going to allow your body to move. So the large is fitting him very well. I'd certainly say it's fitting true to what the sizing chart is going to say. Get your measurements, reference that, and honestly, your typical t-shirt size should fit the bill for you. So if you typically wear a medium or typically wear a large, you should be all set here. Now keep in mind, this armored shirt will ship to you for free, and as always, we do have our price match policy in place. That, of course, will guarantee you the lowest price available. Now, starting at the collar, obviously very low profile. You don't want anything tall there. You want it to fit seamlessly underneath your gear. And then we have, again, that SAS-TEC CE Level 1 protection at the shoulder as well as the elbow. Now, this black material you see here, starting at the shoulder, working its way down the arm, that is going to be that Dyneema. That is where you're getting the abrasion resistance. And it also has like a cooling feel to the touch as well, which is pretty great. And then on the inside of the arm, you've got mesh to give you that additional breathability here and overall comfort. Monkey paws towards the bottom of the wrist. You can use those if you wish to. You can snip them away if you don't want to. And then right here on the chest, more of that stretch material. This does get, again, a CE A rating. That is directly associated with abrasion resistance. It's not something you see very often when it comes to base layers. Now, Pat, if you can go ahead and face that direction for me, sir. Strike that riding position. And again, more of that stretch on the sides and then mesh underneath the armpit. This is great because that's an area that you obviously tend to build a good bit of body heat, so nice to have that mesh implemented there. And then again, just more stretch working its way down the sides. Now, Pat, go ahead and face the back for me, sir. And as you can see here, you've got two different pocket sizes at the back of this armored shirt. No back protector is included, but you have some versatility there with adding in the back protection to fit into those pockets. Pat, go ahead and face the front for me, sir. Unzip that for us. Not much to see here on the inside, just more of that stretch. And then again, you can see this is that Dyneema material here on the inside, that white that you're seeing, or tan, if you will, on the inside. And again, you can go ahead and zip these up, Pat. They do have a matching set of pants that are going to share the same features with the armor that's implemented, the Dyneema, and just all of the stretch. So you do have the matching set of pants as well, which are referred to as the skin armored pants there. Now, if you're looking for more details, feel free to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that will take you over to RevZilla.com, where you can read other rider reviews. And as always, if you have any questions about these base layers or any other gear you might be looking at, please do not hesitate to reach out to our gear geeks. Give them a call at 877-792-9455, or simply shoot over an email, cs@RevZilla.com. Thanks for hanging out with Pat and I and taking a closer look at the Pando Moto Shell Armored Shirt. I'm Brandon. Keep it pinned.